Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to work with hex and RGB colors. RGB colors are red, green, and blue. So a color model where colors are represented using three values, red, green, and blue, each ranging from 0 to 1 in a floating point, or 0 to 255 for integers. And this hex or HEX is hexadecimal, and it's a 6-digit hexadecimal representation of RGB, where each pair of digits represents the intensity of red, green, and blue. And usually it looks like this. Okay. So now we would like to work with these two concepts in Python using the Matplotlib library. So if you're having a code for your color, so there is a specific color that you want to use for your figures, here is the solution for you. We're going to import the libraries. We're going to generate the X using the len space between -3 and 3, and we would like to have 30 points. And this is the function we want to plot. Y equals x to the power of 3. And this is our hex color. So it is orange red. And this is the RGB color that we want to have, blue green. It's blue green. 0.2, 0.6, and 0.8. So whenever we are dealing with the hex color, we are going to have something similar to this. So we are going to have a 6-digit representation. And whenever we are working with RGB colors, we are going to have 3 numbers. Okay. Now this was my X. So between -3 and 3, and there are 30 points there. Then we are having two functions. One function x to the power of 3 and one function minus x to the power of 3. We are going to have these two functions. Okay, so this is the original function that the question was asking, and we're going to have its representation in negative form just to test these two colors. Okay. Now we would like to plot our functions. In order to do that, because we are having two functions, y1 and y2, we are going to use plot function 2 times, one for x and y1 and one for x and y2. So x and y1 are the horizontal and vertical axis respectively. We are going to use the solid line, and this is the color that we are having here. So this is exactly the hex color that we were having in the question, which is orange red. And we are going to have a label hex color, and this is the code for the color that we're going to write it in our label as well. Then we are having the plot function here for the x and y2. We are going to have dashed line here to differentiate a bit from the first one, although the colors are also different. Then we are having the colors. This time it's a RGB format. So the previous one was a decimal here. So you see hexadecimal representation of the color, but here we are having this format: red, green, and blue. So, and after that, we are labeling our figure saying that RGB color, and this is the RGB color. And finally, we are going to label the x-axis, y-axis, the title of the figure. And because we are having labels here and we want to show them in the figure, we are using a legend function, and we are going to show the plot. So this is the plot that we were looking for. This is the legend function work. So we were having some labels for our functions to be plotted. Now using the legend, we can see it here. So here for the hex color, we are having this code, and we see that this is a solid orange line. So this one is the first function that we worked with. And this one is the RGB color with this code, and it's with the dashed line, and you see it's like a bluish color as we see here. So again, like always, we are having the title, we are having the y-axis label, x-axis label. X is between -3 and 3. And also these were the two figures that we plotted here. So in this course, we learned that if we want to use RGB or hexadecimal representation of colors, we can have them in Python. And this is the way that we can use the specific code if we are looking for a specific color to use in our figure. Thank you for watching.